Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Alright. Well, let's get it, man. Alright, recap. Tuesday. Wait, what? Why is this on? Hold up. Tuesday. Boom. We were bullish. Created all-time highs. Huge gap right here. Swept this huge wick, which is also a form of liquidity. Came down, swept this. We're in this 4-hour gap right here. Just right here. Boom. Still bullish on the higher time frame at this point. We haven't got proven otherwise. So yeah, we have all this liquidity up here. Okay. On the 5-minute, we came and disrespected this. We disrespected this gap, and we also disrespected this gap. And whenever this happened, I was very bullish, and I wanted to see these highs either draw. So what happened was, okay, look, so we came up. Wait, why is it, bro? I hate this. Okay, so didn't take this. Why do I have that marked? I don't know. So right here, the reason why I didn't take this. Wait, was there an SMT? Oh, there was an SMT. I don't think I was on charts because I would have for sure taken this if I seen the SMT. But yeah, I wasn't on the charts at this time. I think I was in like a car or something. So I saw this displacement. So this was even more confidence that we were gonna go higher. We broke the 5-minute, which is this is the 5-minute right here, and we broke it. So I was very, very bullish, and then boom, this happened. We had this gap right here. We broke it. I entered right here. I had to stop like below here or something. I risked like 1.1%, and then yeah, I just literally just got destroyed. It came down, swept me out, and then once that happened, it just went to the moon. So yeah, I think it was a good trade though. Well, I know it was a good trade because obviously it still worked out. We still respected this gap right here, but I mean, I wasn't gonna put my stop any lower than this either way. So I think I had it somewhere around here. Yeah, there was really no reason for it to go any lower than to sweep this low right here, which is what it did. So yeah, entered right here, came down, swept this, still respected this, and then came up again, disrespected this gap. I could have re-entered here, but I think I got off the chart as soon as I lost or something. But yeah, that was a trade I took on Tuesday, and then I did take another trade as well. I lost. Okay, one thing I need to learn from this is that I risked way too much. Like this, everything was perfect about this trade. Like I don't mind this trade at all. Like I would take this any day because I mean, we were just very bullish, obviously, and then we swept the lows. We filled the like everything was good, but I risked too much. I risked 1.15%, something around that, and I should be risking less than 1%. I shouldn't be risking that much, but yeah. All right, next trade. Where did I take this trade? Pretty sure PM session. So. Okay, so I think actually. Did I re-enter? Okay, I think I re-entered. Okay, so I did enter back up in here. Wait, what gap did I take? I honestly totally forgot. Yeah, because I know I wrote it all the way to these highs, so I definitely took something down here. I don't know if it was on the 1 minute. I risked less than I would normally risk, only because I took that first L. I didn't want to risk anymore. But I'm trying to see what I took. Could have been like 17. So I guess I took this. Okay, it wasn't this because it's 15. So yeah, had to have been this right here. Wait, no way. I don't remember taking that little of a gap. Because I would usually look for. I guess it was this gap right here, yeah. It's probably this right here. And then the close of this gap. Or, I mean, as soon as this gap closed up, I believe I probably took this right here. Either this or this. But I definitely don't remember taking this little of a gap. Close. Maybe I did. I don't think so. But yeah, I took this and then boom, it went to the moon. And I literally held all of this. I took out like half, like somewhere in here. But then I just kept on holding to the top of this. And I took out the rest of my position like around here. Somewhere up here. But yeah, that's the trade recap for Tuesday. Yeah, like I said, I like the trade I took. It was obviously a winning trade. I just risked too much. I did nothing wrong. I re-entered back and then yeah, it went good. So, okay, Tuesday, let's go Thursday. I mean, Wednesday. Wednesday, I did not like anything I saw really. Alright, Wednesday. We were at all-time highs. Whenever we're at all-time highs, like I don't really know what to expect. I don't know. I really have no bias. And no one really does. Because no one knows what to expect at all-time highs. There's nothing external to look at. Let's see any potential trades that we missed out on. Okay. So all-time highs. This broke. This 15-minute. Like, the thing is, I don't even know if I would take this short. Like, any shorts. I don't think I would even take any shorts here. Because I just wouldn't like this down here. This is like a better looking trade. Like, so we came here. I believe there's an S&T right here. What is it? Yeah, I think this is S&T, right? Yeah, it is. So there's an S&T right here. And then when we started rejecting upwards. Let's see. So we broke this 5 minutes to the downside. We didn't end up doing anything with that. And then once this 5 minute got broke, or now I broke it back down. So I don't know if this is really any good. Okay, like right here, this displacement. Even then, like I don't see anything telling us that we're gonna go higher other than this displacement right here. And then after this displacement, we were in this 15 minutes. So if there was like a 15 minute down here, would have been more like obvious for me to see. And that's just how I view it. Like, or like say there was like a 5 minute down here, and then like if this got disrespected and this was still respecting, then it would have been like, okay, yeah, we're pushing up. But like, since this got disrespected again, even though this is an order book, this still got disrespected, and I just see it as like mixed bias. Like anything could happen here. And then we started pushing up. Came back and disrespected another 5 minute, but then we flipped it back up. And then once this got disrespected, we tapped into this. So I would still be mixed bias here. I'm not, because like we had a displacement down. We don't know whether this is gonna hold or not until the 15 minute got broke. But whenever the 15 minute got broke, we swept buy side already. So yeah, I don't see any good trades here. Like based off of how I trade, I don't see any good trades. Obviously there's some people that would have seen something good, but me personally, I just don't, because I like to stay on the 5 minute and higher for like things I want to like. I only want to go on the 1 minute to take entries. I don't want to go on the 1 minute to look for anything at all. Like nothing is worthy of looking at on the 1 minute, in my opinion, in my trading strategy. But yeah, 1 minute's only for entries, and that's how I should always view it. That's just how I think the best way for me to look at it is. So if I don't see anything on the higher time frame, why would I go on the 1 minute to look for something? Doesn't make any sense. So yeah, on the higher time frames, like the 5 minute and up, there was nothing that I saw. So yeah, no trades taken here. Yeah, no trades needed to be taken here. Okay, Thursday today. Okay, so this is all-time highs right here. Came down, displaced down. Let's see what's up on the 1 hour. We came into this opening range gap, which this is a good form of liquidity. And thinking back, how I would see this is like, okay, we came into this gap and on a lower time frame, we are having a displacement higher. We broke this 5 minute, and so let's see what happened after we broke this. See if there's any good entries. Ideally, we would come back down and then bounce up, but this would be like the main draw, I guess. Yeah, no entries here. I mean, would I take this? Obviously, it's not bad, but like, there's nothing on the higher time frame showing us like anything. It would just like I don't like this trade right here. But yeah, once we broke this 5 minute, yeah, even then I don't really see anything. Obviously, these equal highs would be the draw. I don't see anything unless I took a trade on the 5 minute and then like once this got broke, de-risk, and nah, it's still like nah. I don't see anything. So Wednesday and Thursday, I really don't see anything. I wouldn't even want to take shorts up here just because of how bullish we are, but yeah, I don't see anything of high confluence. Okay, there's no SMT here. Yeah. Really just nothing. I'm trying to think of like how I would have seen this. Cause I personally do not think I would have taken this. Like maybe if it came down and then created another gap that we disrespected, maybe, but the fact that this is like happening on a higher time frame is just like, let me go to the Wait, am I tripping? Bro, why was I looking at... Why was I looking at 320 for Wednesday? I'm actually tripping. Alright. Bro, I'm actually slow. Okay, 9:30 Wednesday. So this is the real Wednesday. Okay, 9:30. They're obviously bullish. I wouldn't really look for any shorts. We filled in this 15-minute. How does it look on the 1 hour? This 1 hour got broken, but then it broke back up to the upside after this, so I like this right here for sure. I like this inverse, and then once that got broken, came back down. This was low-key textbook. So I'm assuming that which one is this? Okay. So yeah, obviously when that 1 hour gets broken, we're very like bullish because it aligns with a higher time frame, like the 4 hour and the daily. And then once that got swept, came down, broke this 5-minute, came back down into here. See what's up with this on the 1 minute. Came down to sweep this. Wait, hold up. So I think this was the 5-minute right here. And it came back down to this 5-minute. After this 5-minute got broke, and then boom, we pushed up. Not gonna lie. Probably would have taken this right here. Just thinking about how I would think of it. Came back into this 5-minute. Pushed up here. I wouldn't have taken it up here, but maybe would have waited for retracement and then boom. Taking this. Maybe I just wouldn't have taken it. But a better trade would be waiting for this, and then this right here is a really good trade. There's like an A plus right here for sure. But boom. So the moon, first take profit, whatever. Trash price action, and boom. That's pretty much it. Trying to think. Yeah. Should I hop on? Alright, I'm gonna hop on this Forex replay. Let's hop on that for a bit. Alright, daily. We have a displacement to the upside. We broke this daily, so seems like we're switching too bullish. Same with the weekly. Seems like we are pushing higher. Alright, 4 hour. Let's see. Came back in here. Still pushing up. 1 hour. Okay. What time is it? It's 1:40. Let me go to the next day open. Okay, so this side just got swept. I'm still bullish though. We have this 4 hour that I believe we're gonna retrace to. So that could be a potential draw. Getting displacement down on the 1 hour. I believe that is the draw, the 4 hour. The 4 hour gap seems like a strong draw. Plus all these lows right here. He broke this 15-minute, but it seems like price just wants to keep going lower. So yeah, I'm definitely bearish until that gets hit. See if we get a retracement up. Yeah, I don't like any of these trades. Could have taken that with low risk. Only because we tapped into the 15-minute. Like barely tapped into it. But okay, I'm gonna take this long with low risk. But I do believe these are gonna be the draw right here. So I'm gonna take this with a candle closure below this. Take this with 50%. This risk is not actually, it's gonna be like this. This is really the risk right here. So yeah, let's see. Oh sure, accidentally. Alright. So yeah, we just don't want to fill in that gap. So until we get an actual displacement, which I'm expecting since we're very bullish, then we're still bearish. Okay, so this 5-minute just broke. is huge. Yeah, it seems like it's very bearish. Let's go to the PM session. Alright. So we still have this gap. Filled it in more than 50%. Now we just gotta wait for some sort of displacement. Okay. This breaks, then let's see. The 4-hour break? No. Okay, so the 4-hour still holding. Okay, we came back down to this 4-hour. We still have this down here too, so could still be bearish. Okay, so this just broke. I'm actually gonna take a long here. Could put it right here. And then stop as a candle closure below this. I like that we created a bullish gap as well, so let's do like 1% is fine. Okay, stop to break even. Take some profit here. Okay. Take more profit here. Well, nice little trade. Reason why that trade was mainly like a good trade is because on the higher time frame we were bullish, like on the higher time frame. So it's the only reason I took that long. It's the only reason it's a good trade. If not, then I would have never taken that trade. Why? Because we have this displacement down. Why would I take a long here if we were bearish on the higher time frame? There would be no reason for me to. Since we came into this 4-hour, our higher time frame is bullish. That's why that long was very good. Okay, let's do one more day. Done. So daily, we're still bullish. Swept this, but we also broke this gap right here. So I'm still pretty bullish. Yeah. Okay, the 4-hour still respecting this gap. Yeah, let's see, we got some equal highs up here. And this 1-hour. See what's up with this. Then yeah. So we got a little 1-hour right here, see if that holds. Where did it go? Oh. Alright. so we broke this 5 minute. I don't really like this long that much because we have so much liquidity built up. I'd rather see a retracement first. But if this breaks, then I will take. Yeah, price is just horrible. I'm expecting news, some sort of news. Okay, so this is good there. How is this not a 1 hour? What is it? 30 minute? Okay. So this didn't even hold. Okay, so we're in this 30-minute gap. I want to see a retracement higher here. Bottom of the gap right here. Let's see if we get some sort of retracement. Okay, 30-minute broke. So it's 1 hour held, 30-minute broke. So let's. Well, the higher time frame is still bullish, but even then, like, I'm expecting these lows to be the draw, because we could be retracing back into this. We'll see, but until this gets inversed, then yeah. Yeah, price could easily just ignore this inverse and just go up, just because we're so bullish on the higher time frame. Boom, we just demolished. Yeah, this was obviously news right here. Okay, we just came in, created triple equal lows. Broke this 5 minute. Let's see if we can catch a short here. Dang, I was gonna take this, but just create another equal low. It's like 4 equal lows down here. Okay, we just broke this 5 minute. I'm still expecting these to be the draw, but let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this. Even though we're bullish on the higher time frame, these equal lows are just a strong draw. for price to go to. So just because we're bullish on the higher time frame doesn't mean we can't take a short to go down here. Yeah, price is just moving horrible. What the heck is this? What? Oh, it's not even. It's literally lunch session. Alright, yeah, price moving horrible. I'm done with this right now.